Hi, it's Adrienne, and I have some updates today, and we'll get going in just 1 second here. Hi, back again. Realized I didn't have any brows on, and that's one of the few things that I really can do right now. I just got myself a new desk, and actually it's a folding table that's 4 feet long, so it's a really nice long table. So instead of stacking all my products up with a higher desk, I got a lower desk, and I can spread everything out. I cleaned all my brushes because we are in the middle the coronavirus and stay at home and everything. So I went ahead and got all my brushes out and went and cleaned them all. And that's probably not doing any good for that brush, but anyway, and got everything organized. I got everything in all sorts of different containers here. I'm going to go through what I have on my face real quick because today is more of a favorites, and since we're all at home, a lot of us are cleaning and organizing stuff, and so used the peach today, the Baby Got Peach palette, and this is it, and used that on my eyes today, the Colourpop Pretty Fresh, and this one is the Fair 4M. I also used the Colourpop Pretty Fresh concealer as well, and also the Just a Tint. This one is in Give Me S'mores for the lip today, and let's see, a little bit of the Elisa, the Frozen 2 palette, just on the outside corners to give a little bit of red, to give it a little bit of depth. And these are all products that I've had for a while. So I thought I'd talk to you about some affordable products today. This one is actually the 5-minute whitening. It comes with the guard that you put in your mouth. This one does have hydrogen peroxide in it. You can find it over at dollar store, but if you have sensitive teeth, you might not want to use it because, like I said, it does have hydrogen peroxide, and it does give you that stingy feeling, as far as going ahead and giving you some tooth whitening. This one is from Walmart. This is the Equate Beauty Argan Oil. It's a dupe for the Moroccan Oil Conditioner, and it even has the same color bottle on it. I'm really enjoying my jumbo size, and it's really leaving my hair nice and silky. Shout out to Katie, my sister-in-law. This is from Bath & Body. This is gingham, and she gave me this at Christmas. I've been using it all the time. I've only used it down to there, and it smells wonderful. It just makes you feel nice and fresh and clean. And this is a top 6 essential oil set that I actually got over at Walmart as well. And this one comes with these 6 oils in there. I've been using them in my humidifier instead of in a diffuser, but it came with lavender, eucalyptus. This one is rosemary, peppermint, tea tree oil, and orange oil. And I have to admit that I'm almost done with this package, but I got this in September, October, and I've been using it in my humidifier, and it's very, very relaxing, especially now when you can be fine, and then all of a sudden you'll be just like, and stressed out. And so I've really been enjoying this. It's been working really well for me. And I haven't done a lot of aromatherapy for a long time. So the other thing, I guess, is going to be these little, I got a whole bunch of shapes and sizes from dollar store as far as these kind of containers. And so when I found my folding table, like I said, it's 4 feet across, so it's really nice and big. And I finally got everything into, I have foundations, I have powders, I have brows, highlighters, my stuff from Lumi, all of my different brushes that I went ahead and washed, lip glosses, bronzers, lip colors, blushes. So I got everything into its own container. And that's just, I mean, it's so I can finally see it all. And I think being a very visual person, that's something that I need to do. When I had it all stacked up, going up and down, it wasn't working for me very well because I couldn't see what I had. And now that I have it all out, to other people it may not look organized, but to me it looks very, very organized. So I'm really enjoying that, and it was definitely something that got my mind off of everything, and I could just focus on doing all of that. I will also have a short, if I can get my other camera to work, I'll go ahead and do a short studio tour. I haven't really bought anything. I have these wrought iron, they're more like bookshelves. They're kind of folding. You can get them at Hobby Lobby. I've also found them at places that sell furniture and stuff like that. Any of the wrought iron, where you can actually see your products. And again, that's something that for me, being very visual, I like to get my inspiration by being able to sit down and go, oh, yeah, that over there, or I haven't used that for a long time, or, you know, it helps me to go ahead and get a sense of what I have and what I want to play with and what I haven't worked with and what I need to start using up and stuff like that. So let me go ahead and I'll see if I can do that quick little studio tour, and I'll see y'all later. Stay safe, wash your hands a lot, and abide by all the CDC guidelines and all that stuff. And thank you, and have a great day, okay? Bye. Okay, so this is my studio, and I've got my computer over on the side with my bench. That's one of my wrought iron shelves over there. This is my new 4-foot folding table that I have. And then the one thing that I did get that's actually new is this plant over here, and this is bamboo. This actually hit me. I wasn't planning to buy anything like this, and then all of a sudden I saw it and I thought, yeah, Mother Nature can be a real bitch, but she can be bent at some points, and that's what this bamboo reminds me of, that you can bend Mother Nature once in a while. As far as what else I have, again, these are more of those shelves, the wrought iron shelves. It took me about 20 years to collect all these. I also have some wicker in here. Let's do something more like that. So I have some wicker that I put my computer on there. And again, it's organized for me, maybe not organized for other people. This is a picture that I actually love, that is all nice and reminds me of a warm summer day on the cold winter days when it really looks nasty out. And so that's my tour. And thank you, and you all have a great day. Stay safe. Thank you.